That's your man, girl. He is fighting that worm. I hope he wins. Because he been at it for a minute. What is he doing? Tell him, get some food. What is he doing? Get the worm. He's gonna bring it back? Is he gonna give it to her? Wait, don't just get it. Okay, get the worm. He got it. He got it. She says she's hungry. Get the worm. Are you losing the fight to the worm? What are you doing? He got it. He got the worm. You gonna give it to her? Are you getting another one? They talking. He bring her the worm. Oh, he gave her the worm. Oh. That is so cute. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to intrude. I was just wondering what y'all was doing. That's your girlfriend? Got married? What y'all talking about? This must what it feel like to have a nosy neighbor. Don't be leaving her. Where'd she go, Birdie? Where'd she go? Hi, Birdie. Can you see me? Oh my gosh, she's looking right at me. Okay, maybe she won't leave her alone. Okay, I'm out my business.